Hey guys, in this video I will tell you how can you download Arceus X Roblox game app in your smartphone. So keep watch this video ending, and if you don't have subscribe our YouTube channel, click on subscribe button for more videos. Let's start our video. You need to open your browser just open Chrome browser. There is write on Google Arceus X, just write on this word Arceus X. You can see here, this is the spelling of ARCEUSX right there, and search it. You can see too many options there. You just need to scroll down. There is some websites you can download freely. Okay, there is a website, click on here. You can also use any other, click on here. You can see next window open. You need to go to download option, find their download option, just scroll down. You can see here any download option, then you need to click on here. Okay, so there is no any downloading option. If you see, then you need to go back and try to another website. Okay, so go to this website, which is also uh, same website. Click on here, just open this website, Arceus X Roblox APK, and you need to download from here. Also you can use too many other website like this one, first one, and any other. Okay, so you need to just use their websites, try to download from there. Use anyone and go to just there is the option to download. Click on here and you can just install. Click on download. Anyway, your application will be start automatically. This is a size of 131.05 MB size. You can download it.